Nakuru East, Gikaria.
I am impressed, Mr. Owano, by what you've done for on the aspect of the pro bono. You know, sponsoring Gor Mahia, AFC and others. How I wish that that amount of money would have been used at these small clubs in Siaya village for you to be able to, you know, to tap talent. Because, as you have said, and I've seen some of the articles that you've written on how the government should come in and save AFC and Gor Mahia, which is something that is okay. But how I wish you would have gone down to the village. And my question is about if you digitalize services, government. When I was doing my course, we were told as we also digitalize, then the aspect of cutting employment is also very huge. As you digitalize, then you reduce the number of employment, because if things were done manually, you could see how the number of employees, and yet Kenya Kwanza is there to create opportunities, job